Welcome back to my channel. These are some mentioned news today. 1. GM to delay all-electric truck production at Michigan plant until late 2025. General Motors has announced a postponement in the production of all-electric trucks at its Michigan facility. The delay is now expected to last until late 2025, impacting the company's electric vehicle rollout strategy. 2. China's third-quarter growth exceeds forecast. Consumer spending and industrial production offer hope. China reported stronger than expected economic growth in the third quarter. Robust consumer spending and increased industrial production are contributing to a more optimistic outlook for the country's economic performance. 3. This currency is now the world's top performer after rebounding from record lows. A previously struggling currency has made an impressive recovery, emerging as the world's top-performing currency. It has rebounded significantly from record lows, reflecting changing market dynamics. 4. Russia's Putin speaks at China's Belt and Road Forum in rare international appearance. The Russian President Vladimir Putin made a rare international appearance by speaking at China's Belt and Road Forum. This event underscores the growing cooperation between Russia and China in various sectors. 5. Baidu's newest AI model ERNIE 4.0 fails to wow investors, but analysts maintain buy ratings. Baidu's latest AI model, ERNIE 4.0, did not meet investors' expectations. Despite this, many analysts continued to recommend buy ratings on the company's stock. 6. Shares of critical chip firm ASML drop 4 after new U.S. curbs outlook warning. The shares of ASML, a crucial chip manufacturing firm, experienced a 4 decline following new restrictions imposed by the U.S. government. The company also issued a warning regarding its future outlook. 7. No question that the decarbonization of shipping will contribute to inflation, says industry CEO. The CEO of a major shipping company emphasized that the process of decarbonizing the shipping industry is inevitably contributing to inflation, reflecting the challenges and costs involved in reducing emissions. 8. UK inflation holds steady for September after Bank of England pauses rate hikes. In the UK, inflation for September remains steady as the Bank of England temporarily halted rate hikes. This development provides insights into the central bank's monetary policy approach. 9. Apple supplier Foxconn says it's way too late to chase dominance in cutting-edge chips. Foxconn, a key Apple supplier, believes it is too late to pursue dominance in the market for cutting-edge semiconductor chips. This statement reflects the competitive nature of the industry. 10. Adidas shares climb after boost from Yeezy sales, guidance raise. Adidas shares experienced an increase following a boost in sales driven by their collaboration with Yeezy. The company also raised its guidance, indicating a positive outlook. 11. How Gen Z uses technology, flip phones, digital cameras, voice memos. A report delves into how Generation Z is using technology. It highlights the resurgence of retro tech like flip phones, digital cameras, and the popularity of voice memos among this demographic. 12. Procter & Gamble tops earnings, revenue estimates even as higher prices drive some consumers away. Procter & Gamble exceeded earnings and revenue estimates, despite some consumers being deterred by higher prices. The company's performance demonstrates its ability to navigate market challenges. 13. Morgan Stanley shares fall over 6 as wealth management results disappoint. Morgan Stanley's shares fell by over 6 after the wealth management results disappointed investors. This indicates the impact of the performance of wealth management on the financial sector. 14. Mortgage demand falls to the lowest level since 1995 as interest rates near 8. The mortgage demand has dropped to its lowest level since 1995, primarily due to the sharp increase in interest rates, highlighting the sensitivity of housing markets to rate changes. 15. United Airlines tumbles nearly 10 after warning price fuel war in Middle East will cut profits. United Airlines stocks plunged nearly 10 following a warning that increased fuel costs and geopolitical factors, such as the ongoing conflict in the Middle East, will negatively impact the company's profits. 16. Top Apple analyst says MacBook demand has fallen significantly. A leading Apple analyst reported a significant decline in demand for MacBooks, shedding light on consumer preferences and market shifts. 17. Biden would lose in matchup vs. Trump. According to CNBC's survey, Israel funding has strong support. A CNBC survey suggests that in a hypothetical matchup, President Joe Biden would lose to former President Donald Trump. Additionally, the survey indicates strong support for funding related to Israel. 18. X, formerly Twitter, tests charging new users $1 to tweet, retweet. X, formerly known as Twitter, is testing a feature that charges new users $1 for the ability to post tweets and retweets. This move explores potential monetization options for the platform. 19. PaintJet puts robots to work in construction and maintenance as labor shortage drags on. The PaintJet is deploying robots in construction and maintenance tasks to address labor shortages. This innovative approach showcases how technology is transforming traditional industries. 20. This is the best university in the U.S. According to global rankings, it is an Ivy League. A non-Ivy League university has been ranked as the best in the U.S. according to global rankings. This emphasizes the diversity and quality of educational institutions beyond the traditional elite. If you're eager to stay ahead of the curve, subscribe now and join our growing community of informed viewers. Don't miss out on my high-quality content. Hit that subscribe and like button, ring the notification bell, and be part of the conversation.